Hello again. For many, Friday morning has been dry and fine. However, wet and windy weather is soon on the way. It's going to turn pretty bleak out there by this afternoon. We have yellow warnings in force across Wales, southwest England and Northern Ireland, as well as parts of Scotland. And in parts of southwest Wales, we actually have an amber warning in force for the heavy rain that could cause some flooding issues. Big swirl of cloud out in the Atlantic heading our way, already pushing its way into the west. Ahead of that, one or two showers, but much of eastern England seeing some dry and bright weather for a time on Friday. But here comes the rain, spreading in this morning across western parts of Northern Ireland, the far southwest of England. Ahead of it, some showers in western parts of Scotland, the odd one over the Midlands too. Some sunshine developing for a time over North Wales and the Midlands, but there's the rain, accompanied by ever-strengthening winds. Because we've had so much rain recently across parts of Pembrokeshire especially, that's why we have the amber warning in force here. It'll actually be quite mild with temperatures in double figures, but obviously it won't feel all that mild, particularly as the wet and windy weather arrives. So as I said, we have an amber warning in force for parts of southwest Wales, a yellow warning in force covering other parts of South Wales, southwest England, Northern Ireland, and increasingly across parts of southern Scotland, especially over the hills. Just going to stop it there at 7 o'clock. You see the rain still hasn't reached eastern England by this stage, but for many it will be a very wet and increasingly windy evening. So if you're heading away, heading out on the roads, just bear that in mind. Some pretty miserable travelling conditions. A lot of spray surface water on the roads, and those winds too, gusting 40, 50 around coast in the southwest, maybe 60 miles an hour, possibly a bit more for a time across the far southwest. So a blustery, wet evening. The rain does reach eastern parts of England, eventually northeast Scotland too overnight, but it does clear from many places through the early hours. Temperatures not dropping too far, relatively mild night. Still quite breezy then on Saturday, still some wet weather across the far northeast through the Northern Isles, maybe East Anglia for a time if you're up early enough, but that clears away. And then much of central and eastern England, much of eastern Scotland having sunny spells for most of Saturday, but there will be showers elsewhere, heavy blustery showers over Wales, western and southern parts of England. Some hail and some thunder is mixed in too. They'll tend to come and go. It won't rain all day, but when they do come along, those downpours could be on the heavy side. You can see some places across the north and east may not see too many showers at all. Temperatures, again, 10 to 14 degrees, so actually quite mild. But again, it'll feel cooler when the showers hit and because of the gusty winds. They won't be as strong as Friday, but still they will be quite lively. And eventually they'll push more showers into parts of eastern England, southern Scotland during Saturday evening. Showers on and off through the afternoon and evening for Northern Ireland too. That zone of showers clears away, but it will be replaced on Sunday again by more showers in most areas. So it really is a mixture this weekend of sunshine and showers, some heavy downpours around for Armistice Day. And don't forget those warnings in force for Friday. You can view those on the Met Office website or, of course, by watching our app.